Hello and welcome to today's video. If you are new, this is just another car channel. If you are returning, this is going to be something that is a little bit different than what normally happens here. Today on Copart, we're going to be searching through salvage exotics and some classics, and of course my favorite searches like, Datsuns. So I plan to start out with something sort of to my taste. And what I wanted to search through was to see if anyone around here had any Z cars or how many were on there. So, simple search, we're going to see quite a few. Now, I'm going to sort by the lot number just so it will stay in order when we go through it. So, it looks like there's a few cars and a couple pickups. And of course, let's start with the 79 280ZX. It looks pretty bad. It says the primary damage is stripped. It looks like it sat under a tree for a while. And it looks like it's seen better days. That is definitely stripped. Has a black interior, which seems to be somewhat uncommon. 5-digit odometer, so it is a 79. The production day is 12 of 78. Now that's pretty early for the overall cars. Starts in a day. Current bid is $0. So if you're looking for an extreme project, there you go. There's that car. Now while this loads back in, here's a 210. I don't know if there's any way to just kind of bring it up. Sometimes it does for me, sometimes it doesn't. This and that look pretty nice, but I wanted to look at this King Cab real quick. Seems pretty clean, like someone took care of it. It doesn't look too bad on the outside. The door's a different color. The back, maybe it got hit. Um, Definitely a manual with, I don't know what engine. I'll be honest. 259,000 miles. They'll run forever. And that's about it. I wonder what happened to it. Rear end. Yeah, it doesn't look too bad. The last Datsun I wanted to look at here was this because it looks so good. Like, why would someone take this car to a Copart lot? Well, it was in a flood. Looks like it has a almost brand new battery. The engine bay looks pristine. Ooh, it even has a digital dash with 54,000 miles. I do believe that's the watermark, which doesn't seem like it's that big of a deal, but as soon as you dig in there, who knows what you're going to find. And there's only this picture of the interior, so I'd almost be afraid that maybe they're hiding something up front. So, with the Datsun search being concluded, let's move on to something a little more expensive. Now, I'm just pretty much doing general searches because I don't have to, I don't really know what specifically to look for or look through. There's a 458 Spider that has a current bid of $135,000, a 2018 Ferrari GTC4 Lusso. I don't even know if I'm pronouncing that right. Never heard of one of those, to be honest. There's a 488 Spider and a Dino. I would own one of those. I think they're sick. Let's go back up to this. Oh, this kind of looks like an FF if I am correct. Am I? Comment down below what you think. Am I correct? Or am I wrong? It doesn't look too bad. I mean, it says it was in a flood, but how bad could a flood car actually be? I mean, I'm sure a lot of you people have seen Sam Crack's videos, and, well, they can be terrible. Here, oop, I have seen this Murcielago before, if I pronounce that right. It's a manual, and like the top's all crinkled and everything. What really catches my eye here is this thing. That's like poor man's Lamborghini, apparently. Watch it be. Oh, Lambretta. Yeah. Whoever bred that had dyslexia or something. There's your Lamborghini scooter, everybody. So now I plan to. Let's look at something too. A little bit older again. One of my sort of dream cars. And I do believe that the only way I would be able to afford one of these is to find one that is broken, or a roller off eBay, or one that doesn't have much of a body left, stuff like that. One that was jumped a couple times. Who knows? And there's not one that's my year. However, there's this 71 that doesn't look too bad. It has the pop up headlights, which I think were sort of a special option. The car overall doesn't seem too bad. It looks like it probably had a vinyl roof. It looks like it definitely had a vinyl roof. Back here, that quarter panel doesn't seem too bad from that angle. This one looks like there's a hole in it. And the interior, I've definitely seen worse. I've dealt with worse. I don't know what engine that is. It's probably a 383 is my guess. I am not big on knowing about Dodges or Chryslers or Mopars. 585 miles. That's probably been rolled over. And it looks like there's a hole there. Don't know what that could be from. And that's been partially torn off before. Let's see what the primary damage is. Water or a flood. It's in Missouri. That's kind of scary. Now, I think that this will probably end off today's video here. I don't know too much what else I should do next time. Should I do this again? Let me know. I just wanted to try something different, and maybe next time should I have vehicles picked out that I want to show you? Do you enjoy this? Let me know. And if you enjoyed today's video, do drop a like. And subscribe for more car content in the future, and turn on notifications. So that's what I got for you. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.